I humbly believe that those best in class solutions are disabled veterans. And I'm biased because I've had a season where I've worked to see this community grow from about $750 million in contracts with the federal government on a year over year basis to well north of $19 billion and perform admirably. And they did that utilizing this simple joint venturing business model that I popularized during my season as I had a challenge navigating the federal government's, maze that is small business contracting. For those of you that are small disadvantaged businesses that are MWBEs out there, I'm encouraging you to recognize that in this season where America needs to revitalize its manufacturing base, it needs to insulate its supply chain. You, as an MWBE, would benefit by proactively identifying a service disabled veteran that you could create a joint venture relationship with and take that joint venture relationship to your customer proactively who no longer has a DEI incentive to do contracting with you. That may give you a little bit more useful life than you would experience if you're just, or you would experience if you're just hanging on to the DEI card. I'm saying that because I have it under good authority that our Small Business Administration is going to be reauthorized. And that means that the gender-based program, which is the women-owned business program, is going to go under the microscope along with the 8A program. And if I were to give you my high-octane speculation, I would suggest to you that there will be a separate 8A program for tribal assets that will result from this, and we may see a sunsetting to our women-owned business contracting program. But that and 50 cents may not get you a cup of coffee. That's just Walter's high octane speculation. For what we're concerned about, it's our disabled veterans.